Hey everyone, Anthony Ray with Ray Law Criminal Defense. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're talking about the different methods of pre-trial release, bail, bond, and release on one's own recognizance. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that button now. Bail is when a judge orders a defendant to pay money to the court to secure their release. They must pay the full amount, and if they don't return to court for their next date, they may forfeit the money. The dollar amount of bail is based on the following: the nature of the crime that the defendant is being accused of, criminal history and previous failures to return to court, employment or other ties to the community, monetary resources of the defendant that would assist them in leaving the state, and any other relevant factors. An experienced criminal defense attorney will advocate for the lowest bail amount possible. Next up is bond. If the defendant is unable to pay the bail amount on their own, they may seek the assistance from a business certified to pay the money on their behalf, otherwise known as a bail bondsman. The term bond or bail bond refers to agreement between the bail bondsman, the court, and the defendant. The bail bondsman guarantees the defendant's return by paying the bail on their behalf until they can repay. If the defendant doesn't return to court, the bail bondsman may forfeit the money. In exchange for the bail loan, the defendant is required to pay a percentage of the bail amount to the bondsman up front, in addition to other fees. The bond may be secured by the defendant's property or other valuable assets. The third type of pre-trial release is release on one's own recognizance. Here, the defendant signs a document to guarantee their return to court. It is usually only extended to those who are accused of non-violent crimes with little to no risk that they won't return to the next court date. What happens if you don't return to court? If you fail to return to court, you may face additional charges for skipping bail, and the judge can issue a warrant for your arrest. If you have to miss a court date for what you believe is a valid reason, you should communicate this to the court beforehand to request a new date, ideally through an attorney. So what happens when you skip court and owe money to a bail bondsman? That's where a bounty hunter comes in. If you have ever had a bounty hunter come after you, please share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.